Now we're ready to go. That's off, that's on. You get a little beep. All right, let's test her out and see how she works. Let me see if I've got it on. Let's try it. Okay, so it's definitely giving me a reading. I had to push on it with my hand here to get the contact. Here we go. As soon as I get close, it starts to read it. But if I pull my hand off, I'm not getting the contact, so watch. So look what I'm doing. Yeah, so this one may be a little loose. That's why it's not making a good connection. But it still works. So let's go try it out over in here and check on our wires to make sure that we're not going to electrocute ourselves. So as you can see, I don't have anything up here, but that's on, that's off, that's on, that's off. So let's put it to the off position first. So now you can see it's off. We turned it off at the switch. I'm going to push this. You see how it clicks? Let's check the wire. Get nothing on it, right? All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click the light switch. You hear that? I just turned it to the on position. Let's see what happens. This is the neutral, and that's the positive. So you can see the circuit's not connected, like, because it comes down the positive, then goes to the neutral back, and the switch turns it off. So you should have no electricity in the neutral, right? So there's nothing there. But on this one, I should have it. And you can see it's definitely lighting up. So now I want to turn this off, right? Because I don't want power in it. So I turn it off, all right? Turn it on is like that. That top part is on, bottom part off, okay? So now we're off, we got it in the off position, and we shouldn't have any problem. Now we can work with this wire without getting killed. Yeah.